Every company crisis is different, yet the need to adapt always follows. Whether it's a change in strategy, adjusting a target audience, or reallocating resources, responding to adverse moments is a matter of sink or swim. For companies that come out swimming, a comprehensive crisis communication strategy is at the center of their success. How can a business prepare for a crisis? Step 1. Assemble a crisis communication task force. Not every crisis is the same, so recognizing which issues are directly impacting your company and the best equipped team members to tackle these issues will save you time and resources. Consider building your crisis communications team around the following individuals in your company: CEO or president, head of HR, customer relationship manager, head of PR or PR consultant, and a legal advisor. This is the first of 7 steps to securely prepare your company against a crisis. To find out more details on this and the remaining 6 steps, visit publicize.co/guides.